happening. I tell you exactly what is happening. Good morning, welcome back to another video. It's Beetle Diaries time. I generally didn't think a week later we'd be doing more Beetle Diaries, but here we are. Look at the weather, it's absolutely stunning. It's bank holiday weekend, Sunday today. This video will drop over the next couple of days. Obviously my 65 bug, you've seen some stuff for this. You might be asking, what's all this? What's all this? Bundy, what's all this? Bloody thing. Before I do that, right, I'll show you this now. Excuse the mess in the garage, stuff absolutely everywhere. On the TV box, I gotta keep the 28 days. I lost my old 65 inch in the non-marital divorce, so I bought a new one since I've been back home. Look at all this bloody thing, and it's quite easy to spot that it's on the left hand side. So let's take you through. I was looking at it, I thought, oh god, I'm just gonna pull the engine out, I'm just gonna get it all done properly, it's all gonna happen, no problem. I'm talking fast because I'm not even angry, I'm just thinking, bloody hell man. Here we are. Oh, you might notice the hubcap is back on. Actually sorted the clips out, so that's fitting again properly. But here we go, let's take you under. I know you can't see a whole lot when it's on the floor. Right, here we go, rocker cover here. This was all done, replaced, but it's all running out, it's dripping. That's the spots you can see absolutely everywhere. It's running here. You know what I'm saying? Let me just get back up, being shaky. So whatever reason, even though the gaskets and all that machine is absolutely stinking now, I don't understand why it's done it, but it's leaking again, old cars and all that stuff. But I've had it up properly. It's literally that one point on that one rocky cover, so I've ordered new gaskets for it. But also at this point now, I'm not sure if because of the clips, because the clips were a bit nasty getting back on there. Ordered a whole new covers, everything, new clips, everything. So I thought, get a car back up, get the wheels off, and just do it, because I just want to cruise it. This weather, you know, this week on the 28th, which is going to be Thursday coming up, I think that's the 28th, don't even know, something like that. Hopefully lockdown restrictions are going to be eased, so that means I can start taking the car out along the coast. I can start cruising it more. Just got different ideas on it. It's still sounding sweet as an absolute nut. It's just leaking oil on that one point. I don't know. Look at the stance on that now. It's sitting absolutely gorgeous. So that's a very short video, but it's a daily video. It is daily vlog stuff of what's happening at the moment. Just gonna spend a bit of time. I'm gonna wash all the cars again because it rained the last couple of days, so they've gone a bit dusty. It's gonna be warm weather next couple of days as well, so I thought do it when it's not too bad today. So until next time, that's Beetle Diaries. This is Exploring with Boss. That's a 65 bug. Take it easy. Boom.